In this video, I'll guide you through how to share a Microsoft to-do list. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any of your personal lists into a shared list that other people can access and work on with you. First, go ahead and open Microsoft To Do. You can do this on your computer using the desktop app, in a web browser, or on your phone or tablet if you have the mobile app installed. The steps are very similar across platforms, so as long as you can see your lists on the screen, you're in the right place. Once Microsoft To Do is open, take a look at the sidebar, usually on the left-hand side. This is where all your lists are displayed. You might see built-in lists like tasks or planned, along with any custom lists you've created for work, school, or personal projects. Take a moment to find the list you want to share. Click or tap on that list in the sidebar to open it. When you select the list, the main area of the screen will update to show all the tasks inside that specific list. This is a good time to quickly review what's in there. Remember, when you share a list, the people you share it with will see all the tasks it contains, including any notes or due dates you've added. If there's anything you don't want to share, you may want to move or remove it before generating the link. With your chosen list open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for the share icon, which looks like a person with a plus sign next to them. This icon is the control for managing who has access to the list. Go ahead and click or tap this share icon. When you click the share icon, Microsoft To Do will open the sharing options for that list. Here you'll usually see controls to create or manage an invitation link, and sometimes options for resetting or stopping sharing later on. Focus on the option labeled Create Invitation Link. Next, click the button or link that says Create Invitation Link. Microsoft To Do will generate a unique sharing link for this specific list. This is the link you can send to other people so they can join and collaborate on your list. Depending on your device, the link may be automatically copied to your clipboard, or you might see a button to copy it manually. If you see a copy button, click it so you have the link ready to paste. Once you have the invitation link, you can share it however you prefer. Paste it into an email, send it in a chat message, or share it through your team's communication tool. When someone opens that link and accepts the invitation, your list will appear in their Microsoft To Do, and you'll be working from the same shared list. That's all there is to it. You've opened Microsoft To Do, chosen the list you want to share, clicked the share icon, and created an invitation link that you can send to others.